The Suzuki Alto 2025 is a compact hatchback that continues its legacy of affordability, efficiency, and practicality, making an ideal choice for urban commuters and small families. This latest model introduces a refined design, improved features, and enhanced fuel efficiency to maintain its appeal in the competitive small car segment. Its design features a modernized front grille, sleek headlamps with LED elements, and a slightly more aerodynamic body that gives the car a fresher and more dynamic look. The compact dimensions ensure it remains maneuverable in crowded city streets and easy to park in tight spaces. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Alto is powered by a 660cc three-cylinder engine, designed for optimal fuel efficiency without compromising on performance for urban driving. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a smooth automatic transmission, the engine delivers responsive handling and a nimble driving experience. With advancements in Suzuki's engine technology, the new Alto achieves excellent fuel economy figures, appealing to environmentally conscious drivers and those looking to save on fuel costs. Inside, the Suzuki Alto 2025 offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for its size. The interior design focuses on practicality and functionality, with durable materials and a user-friendly layout. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system, offering Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and smartphone integration for seamless access to navigation, music, and hands-free calls. The ergonomically designed seats provide adequate support for short and long drives, and the adjustable front seats enhance comfort. Despite its compact size, the Alto makes clever use of interior space, offering ample headroom and legroom for passengers, along with a rear seat that can be folded down to expand cargo capacity. Safety remains a priority for the Suzuki Alto, with the 2025 model equipped with a range of features to ensure peace of mind for drivers and passengers. Standard safety features include dual airbags, anti-lock braking system (ABS), electronic brake force distribution (EBD), and a rear parking camera. Higher trims may also offer advanced safety technologies like hill hold assist, stability control, and lane departure warning systems, setting a new benchmark for safety in the compact car category. The 2025 Suzuki Alto caters to diverse customer preferences by offering multiple trims, each with unique features and customization options. Basic trims are designed for budget-conscious buyers, while premium trims offer additional amenities such as alloy wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, keyless entry, push-button start, and advanced audio systems. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, the Alto allows buyers to choose a style that matches their personality. With its combination of affordability, modern features, and reliable performance, the Suzuki Alto 2025 is poised to remain a favorite among small car enthusiasts. Its enhanced technology, fuel efficiency, and commitment to safety make it a practical and economical choice for daily commuting. By maintaining its reputation for reliability and practicality, the new Alto continues to uphold its status as a cornerstone of Suzuki's lineup.